By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales, and I invite the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Julie Lydon, to address the congregation. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, it's my great delight to welcome you on this special day. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who has supported you. Now, I'm going to pause in my speech at this point, because one of the things I want to make sure happens this afternoon is that all the graduates are well supported by the people who are here to recognise their achievements. And we usually do that by clapping and whooping and cheering. So I'd like to have a quick rehearsal to see whether we've got that right. I'm looking particularly at this side and the back of the auditorium to make sure we get this right. And of course, the row behind me, who will also be cheering. So after 3, should we have a go at clapping and whooping? 1, 2, 3. So the quality control monitor, the Dean, is saying she thinks that was a really good round of applause, and I agree with her, so thank you very much for doing that. As graduates of this university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much earlier. Our story at USW goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, where some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be proud now to see how their small colleges have grown into a major international university. A university that adds value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally, changes the lives of bright people like you. You are part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied arts, business, humanities or sciences. And across the United Kingdom and in many countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. They are engineers, sports professionals, artists, teachers, entrepreneurs, business leaders, police officers, academics and nurses. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy scepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You have challenges, but you also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. And more than that, every one of you has talent. Every one of you has intellect. And every one of you has commitment and the capacity for hard work. And you now have the qualification to prove it. So as I start this ceremony, I'd like you to remember 3 things. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a credit to you, and we are all very proud of you. My sincere congratulations, thank you, and well done.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol ac wneud i'r cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru ar y campws hwn ar y 10 o Orffennaf 2019. Heddiw, anrydydd yn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi trwy deallusrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd yw bod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r Brifysgol. Drwy anrydeddu eu cyrhaeddiad, gadewch i'r rheini sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod eu hymrwymiad a dathlu eu llwyddiant. Ddisoddwn yn gobeithio'n yn disgwyliadau ynddynt, gan obeithio byddant yn droi eu talent a'i disg ger bron eu proffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfraniad dyfodol ein cymdeithas gyda'r anrydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in this campus on the 10th day of July 2019. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated, through their intellect and scholarly effort, that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Society candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy, Vera Endrete, in recognition of a programme of work entitled A Critical and Analytical Study of Dynamic Capabilities in Strategic Procurement, the case of 6 Welsh local authorities. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Hevin Rowlands and Professor Hugh Coombs, Faculty of Business and Society. The Master of Business Administration, Simisola Oriolua Ambodi. Olumide Alexander Delalu. Matthew Newton. Hope Oyinyechi Okpepe. Stuart Osman. The Zorba Delicacies Limited Applied Excellence Prize for Best Collaboration with Industry by an MBA student, Fria Yvette Yap. The Master of Business Administration, UNICAF, Mohammed Abu Magid Abdel Munyan Abdel Wahab. Bernice Ado. Kolapo Oliriwaju Agumbiade. Julius Alexander Arinyatwi. Curtis Wayne Bradley. Ho Yin Chan. Kenisha Melisha Facey Smith. Mikhail Kenuthia Kenua. Leanne Lloyd. Grace Catherine Nembard. Quintabeth Nwandam Njinwi. Kate Owusu Bokwe. Adedayo Adekunle Oyurindi. Macmillan Teku. Ricardo Oliver St. Bernard Williams. Sydney Kadakula Zimba. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Abdulaziz Mohammed Al-Arabi. The Master of Science in Human Resource Management, the South Wales Business School Prize for Best Overall Performance by a part-time MSc Human Resource Management student, Catherine Edwards. Dawn Foley. Adam Jones. Glesney Lloyd. The Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development Prize for Best Overall Performance by a part-time MSc Human Resource Management student, Hayley Rees. Rebecca Shaw. Adam Walters. The Credit Safe Prize for Best Dissertation by an MSc Human Resource Management student, Catherine Jane Walters. The Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development Prize for Best Overall Performance by a full-time MSc Human Resource Management student, Paul Young. The Master of Science in Leadership and Management, Jane Davis. Laura Hughes. Larry McGeary. Gareth Osborne. Emma Strathdee. The Master of Science in Management, Matthew Childs. Danny Cook. Anthony Ellis. Mohammed Hadbin Mohafri. Rayan Milder. Andrew Yates. The Master of Science in Marketing, Kausa Ahmed. Maricel Vili Agus Wonneson. The Master of Science in Public Relations, Rafi Udin Ahmed. Chelsea Hall. Heather Kay. Liam James Prosser. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Accounting, Sophie France. Jack Morgan. Samantha Taylor. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Finance, Katarzyna Pacholek. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Human Resource Management, Jamal Adali. Stephen Christopher. Kirsty Kroll. Issa Mughal. Piapom Pipat Virawat. Jocelyn Rual. Sachi Chaturanga Payasakara Sodo Dawaje. Joanne Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Marketing, Nathan Hewitt. Mohammed Mohsin. Yasmin Kwazim. Jessie Thorrington. Natasha Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Supply Chain Management, Laurie Davis. Rachel Hancock. Thomas Lewis. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Fazil Yazim Gulum Al-Ajmi. Abdullah Yazim Gulum Al-Ajmi. Turki Hussein Al-Hussein. Hamad Therma Al-Mashedi. Mohammed Mari Al-Siari. Gabrielle Nicole Ayres. Jade Barre. Lucy Barrion. Mihai Cosmin Shutia. Lois Marie Carol Craze. Joshua Lewis Drake. Lucia Fernandez Loathas. The South Wales Business School Prize for Best Performance by a BA Honours Business Management student, Abigail Myra Gallifant. Alexandru Gimpu. Linda Heckler. Tom Holland. The South Wales Business School Prize for Best Dissertation by a BA Honours Business Management student, Menna Wyn Isaac. Holly Louise Jones. Yun Zi Kong. Phoebe Nichols. Teva Uvrad. Daniel Leonard Peter Peters. Nathan Starr. Sabea Tario Rodriguez. Karen Lee Turner. Tatiana Valakova. Christopher Wiles. Kelsey Williams. Sarah Ann Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, Deborah Fry. Amber Miner. Joshua Morgan. Daisy Sabina Padfield. Ellis Page. Bethan Thomas.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers graduated this year with Bachelor and Masters of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw, mae Elw Quartet, a byddant yn chwarae, they will be playing Isn't She Lovely, You've Got a Friend in Me, and The Bare Necessities. Raddedigion, gwesteion, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to the Elw Quartet.
The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, European College of Business and Management, Berlin, Michelle Jakobietz. Bianca Stein. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, European College of Business and Management, London, Daniel Banya. Caroline Bonnet. Carlos Canizales. Miriam Stephanie Feltz. Sharing Gould. Michael Haverstock. Katarina Krumme. Maria Lo Mascolo. Jakob Braun. Nikolai Andres Bremen. Andrei Stelmach. Sally Ann Tiemann. Jochen Waldner. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, Merthyr Tydfil College, Hannah Casey. Natasha Howells. Joseph James. Alice Louise Truex. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, UNICAF, Yetunde Olajumoke Adenei. Tite E. Florence Ho. The Bachelor of Arts in Event Management, Fatima Ali. Sarah Cryer. Lauren Victoria Davis. Fonny Faketa. Adam Hoban. Evangeline Jones. Tegan Vaughan-Jones. The South Wales Business School Prize for Best Performance by a BA Event Management student, Christina Nogue. Timia Sadiva. The Bachelor of Arts in Human Resource Management. The South Wales Business School Prize for Best Dissertation by a BA Human Resource Management student, Louisa Donovan. Stephen Rees-Edwards. Rebecca Evans. Lauren Goody. Selina Madeline Group. Sophie Cagle. Morgan Lewis. Rhiannon Newell. Stephen O'Shea. The Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development Prize for Best Overall Performance by a BA Human Resource Management student, Emma Beth Smart. Amy Stokes. Maria Victoria Strata. Sophie Wilson. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Nan T. Kim Bui. Marie Gofar. Noor Charmaine Natasha Maud Fazil. The Bachelor of Arts in Marketing, Hamoud Mohammed Al-Dalemi. Lewis Bradley. Caitlin Sarah Carty. The South Wales Business School Prize for Best Performance by a BA Marketing student, Lauren J. Cole. Harrison Collins. Ryan Davis. Laura Gurner. Helen Harrison. Helydd Glein Jones. The South Wales Business School Prize for Best Dissertation by a BA Marketing student, Natalia Kimlikova. Daniel Nathan Lynn. Joshua Meyer. Jake Parker. Bethan Price. Veronica Shumil. Oliver Thorne. Ellie Wallen. Shannon Williams. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Business Studies, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff. Abu Kahim. Maria Norville. Paige Rouse. Jonathan Stewart. Anna Vieira. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Business Studies, Coleg Gwent Pontypool. Emma Addison. Byron Gwilym. Janine Harrison. Eve Jones. Brodie Page. Katie Roberts. Ben Smith. Jessica Speak. Shona Taylor. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Business Studies, Coleg y Cymoedd Nangarw. Penelope Lorna Carter. Elizabeth Frowen. Leanne Hodgetts. Kate Leanne Webb. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Business Studies, Merthyr Tydfil College, Natalie Kroll. Simone Cronin. Christian Davis. Jade Harris. Kelly Moore. Rachel Quirk. Nicola Reed. Cameron Sullivan. Sarah Trahan. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Retail Management, Coleg Gwent, Newport. Mamina Ali. Mumina Ali. Rosina Ali. Elliot Barlow. Connor Powell. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Society. I now present to Congregation the Faculty of Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Bachelor of Arts Practice. The Bramwyn Thomas Memorial Prize, Greta Victoria Amy Ato. Morgan Summer Devney. Anna Drevnovska. Clara Isabel Fontanals Fernandez. Courtney Forbes. Suzanne Louise Hunt. Courtney Manns. Tanya Morgan. Helen Proudfoot. The Art Practice Studentship Prize, Honor Pybus. Chloe Rees. Drew Richards. Neve Rosser. Juliet Salter. Courtney Skelton. Claire Smith. Denisa Vavruskova. Holly Westacott. The Master of Arts in Business Administration, UNICAF, Mai Abdel Halim. The Master of Business Administration, UNICAF, Aishia Jane Brownie. The Master of Business Administration, Chunping Lee. The Master of Business Administration, Yijia Zhang. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, ECBM London, Patrick Martin Violine. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, European College of Business and Management, Stuttgart, Harina Bretthauer. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Creative Industries and the Faculty of Business and Society.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and I'm the lucky one because I get to say for the first time to you, graduates. Today has contained great moments of formal academic ceremony. For all of you in the audience, it is a moment of pride. On this platform, we've shared your pride and your tears as they crossed the stage, because they have done it. But so many of them didn't do it alone. You consoled them when they were down. You lifted them up as they tried. You guided them, and you were there for them. We'd like to say thank you, and I think you all deserve a round of applause. For us on the stage, this is the highlight of the university year. There are 3,000 staff at this great university. They have taught, mentored, fed, supported, counselled, assisted, reminded and encouraged these graduates. Seeing your success is why we all do it. But I want to give you the chance to clap and thank everyone who has worked so hard to enable you to achieve your potential today. But graduates, most of all, today is a celebration for you. Today is the moment that we, as an academic community, say that you are one of us, that you share our values, and that you are going next to take those values out into the world. We know from personal experience that the higher education this university provides is valued tremendously by your future employers, and the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is a source of justified pride. Our role as a university lies fundamentally in educating citizens who will ask constructively critical questions in public life. That means helping other people to see what critical argument looks like, to see what genuine thinking is, and to explore great issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. These are the timeless values of the university itself, and we hope they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. Each one of you is now an ambassador for both the University of South Wales and what we are trying to achieve. Today, you move from being our students to being our alumni, but you remain part of our university with our shared commitment to the transformation of lives through knowledge and education. We trust that your time at USW will have broadened your horizons, opened up pathways to exciting opportunities in your career, and filled you with both a spirit of inquiry and a desire for lifelong learning. We wish you good luck in your future endeavours. We rejoice in your success. You've earned this. Well done, good luck, diolch, and I salute you. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed.
Boneddigion, boneddigesau. Awnewch chi gyd sefyll I ganu'r anthem genedlaethol. Ladies and gentlemen, can you all stand to sing the Welsh National Anthem?